Good morning, friends. Today I'm going to be reading a story called Dooby Dooby Moo, and this is part of our Click Clack Go series. And I thought you guys really liked those books, so I thought today we would give Dooby Dooby Moo a try. Let's get started. Dooby Dooby Moo. Farmer Brown keeps a very close eye on his animals. Every night he listens outside the barn door. Dooby dooby moo, the cows snore. Fa la 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 ba, the sheep snore. Wacka wacka quack, duck snores. There's Farmer Brown listening. Duck keeps a very close eye on Farmer Brown. Every morning, Duck borrows his newspaper. One day, an ad catches his eye. Talent show open to all. Where? County fair. When? Saturday. First prize, a trampoline. Second prize, a box of chalk. Third prize, a veggie chop-o-matic. As soon as Farmer Brown opened up his paper, he knew the animals were up to something. Remember, the animals like to play tricks on Farmer Brown. Farmer Brown watched them closely all day. He watched them from above. He watched them from below. He even watched them upside down. Outside the barn, late at night, he heard Dooby Dooby Moo, fa la 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 ba, waka waka quack. Inside the barn, the cows rehearsed Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Oh, so were they really sleeping? Dooby dooby moo, dooby moo 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 moo. It needs work, Duck noted. The sheep rehearsed Home on the Range. Ba 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 ba, fa la ba 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 ba. Duck had them try it again, but with more feeling. You know what? Miss Whitley was supposed to sing Dooby Dooby Doo like Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, but it's hard, so let's see if I can try it again. Dooby 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 Moo, Dooby Moo 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 Moo. That's better. Kind of tricky. Do you think you could do it? The pigs did an interpretive dance. Wacka wacka quack, snored Duck. One day, Farmer Brown kept a very close eye on the animals. He watched them from the left and from the right. Well, those animals aren't going to trick Farmer Brown this time, are they? He even watched them in disguise. Look at the picture. What do you think disguise means? Is that how Farmer Brown usually looks? Does he usually have a black beard and glasses on? No, Farmer Brown usually has a white beard and no glasses. He's wearing a disguise. Outside the barn, night after night, he heard Dooby Dooby Moo, fa la 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 ba, wacka wacka quack. Inside the barn, night after night, the animals rehearsed. They're practicing. Finally, it was time for the county fair. Duck was pacing back and forth. The pigs were combing their hair. The cows were drinking tea with lemon. They are up to something, thought Farmer Brown. Farmer Brown was not going to leave them alone. He loaded all of the animals into the back of his truck and drove to the fair. When he got there, he heard, "Dooby, dooby, moo, fa la 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 ba, wacka wacka quack." He parked his truck and headed off to the free barbecue. What does he think the animals are doing? Does he think they're singing or does he think they're sleeping? Let's see what the animals are going to do. When Farmer Brown was out of sight, the animals ran to the talent show desk and signed cows, sheep, pigs. Those tricky animals. They're trying to trick Farmer Brown. The cows sang "Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star." Dooby, 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 moo. Dooby, moo, 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 moo. Two of the judges were clearly impressed. What are their scores? Got an 8, 8.2. Those are good scores, but the other two scores are kind of low. Let's see what happens next. The sheep sang "Home on the Range." Fa la 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 ba, fa la ba 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 ba. 3 of the judges were clearly impressed. Wow, they got a 9, a 9.1, and an 8.9. Those are great scores, except for one bad score. Let's see what happens next. It's time for the pigs' interpretive dance, but they were sound asleep. Shloink, oink, 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 and all of the judges were very annoyed. Duck really wanted that trampoline. He jumped up on stage and sang "Born to be Wild." Quack, 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 quack. The judges gave him a standing ovation. When Farmer Brown got back to the truck, he heard, "Dooby, dooby, moo, fa la 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 ba, wacka wacka quack." The animals were exactly where he had left them. Did the animals stay sleeping in the truck the whole time, or did they sneak off to do something else? But looks like they tricked Farmer Brown. Let's see if they'll get away with it. That night, Farmer Brown listened outside of the barn door. "Dooby, dooby, boing! Fa la la la, boing! Waka waka, boing!" What's going on in there? What are they doing? They're jumping on you're right, the trampoline. Remember, at the beginning of this story, what was the prize for winning the competition? Let's see if you remember. That's right. First place prize was a trampoline. What prize did the animals win? Did they come in second place or first place? You're right, they came in first place. Did the animals trick Farmer Brown? You're right, they did. He didn't know that they sang in the competition. What a fun story. The name of that story was Dooby Dooby Moo. If you liked it, please let me know. And maybe tomorrow we can read another Click Clack Go story. Talk to you later.